Crispylicious, guys. This is what you call Crispylicious.
Wow!
See? You hear that? Masyadong guys naman kuslit lang na umay ang naman wagang uy tawagan niya guys. Ano na siya guys. Mga sa yung water akong ibutang guys. Kaya ako na rin siyang talata yung may. Okay. Patang nagtubig rin ng while. And then the whole mungus. After na guys. Ibutan na siya na akong main dish. Para baho na pa ikaw na ito. Di na mawasan ito. Alright? The whole thing. Let's include the whole thing like that. Ato siyang pa kining tadtauran before nagtutog i-max ang tubig kay para mata pa siya ni mabukad pa siya no.
Ang learning mo.
Kapot na siya guys. Nakita pa naman mga subak na kumain buko. Ito lang ba kay buko nito. Natuog ginger. Like one. And then some sili.
What type of chili is that?
Green chili. Espada. Green chili because it's green. Color green. Some green. And then onion rings. Onion rings ba niya? So guys, dahunan na lang guys.
Spring onions.
Spring onions. The onion rings, spring onions.
It's a spring onions or shallots.
And then guys, sagulan na to. Our cubes.
Oops. So you're wait, pasok ko.
Musang pucuk na.
Siya tigaan sa itong mga kon. Wow, so next is more cube.
Nato ako nang i-open ang more cubes guys. So this is a pork more cubes. Something like this. Then tara!
Into the pot. And lastly,
atos ang imikos-mikos jutay.
wow! Kumot na kayo siya guys, if you can smell it.
Guys. Ano siya yung Daya lang niya itong cooking skills guys.
Yeah, humble.
Paano na guys? Humble disciple.
So next is
kanina guys, itong bida guys. Para mo creamy siya.
wow. Mangnangoy ta sa munggos.
Yay! Look at that guys. It's all white now. Because of the bata. Like that guys. There's no kanang coconut in the city guys. We need to choose the plastic one.
Then after any done.